In 3, 2, 1. And I do the same thing I told you that I never would. I told you I'd change, even when I knew I never could. I know that I can find nobody else as good as you. I need you to stay, need you to stay. I get drunk, wake up, I'm wasted. Still I realize the time that I wasted here. I feel like you can't feel the way I'll be messed up if you can't be right here. Oh, oh. Oh, oh, and oh, I'll be messed up if you can't be right here. I do the same thing I told you that I never would. I told you I'd change, even when I knew I never could. I know that I can find nobody else as good as you. I need you to stay, need you to stay. I do the same thing I told you that I never would. I told you I'd change, even when I knew I never could. I know that I can find nobody else as good as you. I need you to stay, need you to stay. When I'm away from you, I miss your touch. You're the reason I believe in love. It's been difficult for me to trust, and I'm afraid that I'ma mess it up. Ain't no way that I can leave you stranded, cause you ain't never left me empty-handed. Cause you know that I can't live without you. So baby stay. Oh, 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 and and I'll be messed up if you can't be right here. I do the same thing I told you that I never would. I told you I'd change, even when I knew I never could. I know that I can find nobody else as good as you. I need you to stay, need you to stay. I do the same thing I told you that I never would. I told you I'd change, even when I knew I never could. I know that I can find nobody else as good as you. I need you to stay, need you to stay. Whoa, whoa, I need you to stay, need you to stay. We did it. What's going on, everybody? Thank you so much for watching this ukulele cover and play along for Stay by the Kid LAROI featuring Justin Bieber on the good old uke. As always, if you did like this video, make sure to give a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube if you haven't already. Join the uke fam. It is free, so make sure to hit that subscribe button below. It is free to join. It doesn't cost any monies, so come on. There's no excuse. There's over 70% of people that come watch these videos and watch more of my videos that haven't hit that red subscribe button. So please click that red subscribe button if you haven't already. It will turn gray. And again, it is free to join. So come on in. The water is fine. Also, if you're like, Ricky, what is that beautiful uke that you're playing in this video? It looks amazing. It sounds amazing. Well, let me tell you what it is. This is a tenor-sized Kumu ukulele. It's a thin-bodied uke with also a built-in, bam! Built-in pickup, so you can change the effects right on the uke. I'll leave a link down below for this tenor-sized Kumu ukulele. They also do have my LAROI signature ukulele that I got to design last year. It is my dream uke. I'll put a nice little visual right now on screen. I got to design and custom design the entire thing. So if you want to get my signature ukulele, highly recommend. I'll leave a link down below as well. Also, if you're like, Ricky, I want to save some money while I'm buying your signature ukulele, well, funny enough, we have a code for you. You can use code Ricky10 and save $10 off your entire purchase. So again, a link for that will be down below, and I'll also include the code in the description so you don't forget, because who doesn't want to save money these days? I know I do. But again, thank you so much. Also, if you do want to support this channel, links to the merch will also be in the description. Currently wearing the Potato Squad hoodie and the Uke Fam hat. We also do have Patreon, where you can download the downloadable PDF chord sheet, which is the full lyrics and chord for the song. Save it on your laptop, computer, phone, tablet, or whatever you have. That will be on Patreon. Again, link down below. Also, links to all of my socials. Everything is just at Ricky Somborn. Make sure to add me, friend me, send me a DM letting me know what video you came from. And that is pretty much it. Thank you so much. I love you. Leave your comments down below with your song recommendations. I love hearing what you guys want to see on this channel, and maybe, just maybe, the next video might be your song. So leave your comments down below. That is it for me. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. I hate to leave you, but I'll see you in my next video. Bye.